In this video, I'm going to show you an overview of the default settings that you may want to implement when first starting an EverWeb project file. Setting up defaults when you first start your website project will save you time and effort, as your web pages will have a consistent look and feel. There's also less chance of making mistakes along the way, so that you won't need to go back later to fix things. Let's start by creating a project from the Projects window. Click on the Create a New Website button to create a new website project. Select a predefined theme template in the left column to use as a style for your website. If you don't want to use a theme template, select the blank theme. Next, select a page type on the right-hand side, and then click on the Select button. You've now created your project file, which has one page to start with in it. Before we begin to add pages to our website, or customize the page that we've just added, let's set up some defaults. The first thing we want to do is to name our project. To do this, double-click on the name New Website in the web page list on the left-hand side. As the text is highlighted already, you can just type over it with the name that you want. If you enter any characters that EverWeb thinks are invalid, you'll get a message asking you to use only valid characters. Now that we've named our project, go to the EverWeb Preferences menu to make sure that you're logged into your EverWeb account. This is important as you'll need to be logged in to publish your website on the internet. On the Accounts tab, make sure that the defaults have been filled in. Typically, we've filled these details in for you already. If you see the Sign Out button, there's nothing more to do. If you see the Sign In button, click on it to sign into your EverWeb account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Create Account link and follow the instructions. Whilst in EverWeb's Preferences, take a look at the General and Publishing tabs to see if there are any preferences you would like to change. Backing up your project files is always important, so go to the Backup tab to set up a backup scheme. We strongly recommend that you set this up in addition to any computer backup process you may already have in place. With your account and backup preferences in place, click on the red Close button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll now be returned to the Site Publishing Settings screen, which appeared when you clicked on the website name in the web page list. Here you can set up your publishing preferences as either EverWeb if you host with us, or FTP Server if you host with your own hosting provider. Complete the details as required. If you're using the FTP Server option and don't know what settings to use, please contact your hosting provider who should tell you what you need to fill in. If you want to add an email address to your website, scroll down the page and add the email addresses you want in the Email Preferences section. For more information on email accounts in EverWeb, please check out our other YouTube videos. When you've finished, click on the page name in the web page list. You'll find this directly under the name of your website. Before adding content, let's set up some text fonts and styling defaults by going to the Format, Default Styles menu option. On this menu, you have a number of different styling options available for different aspects of EverWeb. You can change the styles, color, and underline options as you want and click Save to finish. Finally, have a look also at the Windows menu, where you'll find a number of different options such as hiding and showing the layout of the page, and also options to hide the inspector and toolbar and presentation mode. If you want to set up defaults for page layout options such as page width and height, or the browser background, take a look at our other videos on EverWeb master pages.